good news here. A family of 4 is safe this morning after a fire ripped through the garage of their home.
Investigators are still on the scene. Jill Gallis is there, too. She joins us with a look at the damages.
Good morning, Kaylee and Brandon. As you guys can see, they still have this part of the street blocked off as investigators continue to comb through all of this debris that you'll notice if you take a look here. It's in the front yard. That's because, as you guys mentioned, this fire originated inside of the garage, and firefighters say fortunately they were able to get here quick enough that these flames were contained to the garage mostly instead of spreading throughout the house. They did say that a family member noticed a lot of smoke because the door leading from the garage into the home was open right around 2 this morning when this fire sparked. Now, the cause of the fire is still under investigation, but neighbors that we spoke with, they say that there was a lot of noise out here since it was in the garage. There were things that they described as sounding like they were exploding. There were also a few vehicles inside the garage. We spoke with one woman who described what the smoke looked like.
I was putting my blanket around my face because it was that thick. I finally came over here and was standing with an officer that I know, and one of the tires exploded, and I hugged him so hard. He said that was the hardest squeeze he ever gotten.
You can imagine just by her description there how scary this must have been out here. Now, firefighters also tell us that this family, they believe that there were no working smoke detectors inside of the home. So again, they are very fortunate that they made it out before this fire spread any further.